Honor Watch GS3 is Honor's first smartwatch equipped with 8-channel heart rate AI engine. Normally, smartwatches only have dual-channel PPG heart rate detecting module. The data accuracy is low. By improving to 8 channels, light detection surface increases by 43.6%. More heart rate signals are received. Minor changes within blood vessels can be sensitively detected. In this way, there's more valid data. Honor GS3 collects a lot of data with 8 channels, 4 of them process data. With the help of heart rate AI fusion algorithm, the GS3 outputs an accurate heart rate signal. To further enhance the heart rate accuracy, Honor Watch GS3 adopts AI engine, building models for more than 20 scenarios like running and cycling. To get accurate heart rate range by analyzing big data, it achieves up to 97% detection accuracy rate. At the same time, the accuracy of calorie and VO2 max detection is also improved. Users can understand the health status whenever they want. Bringing innovative technology, this is Honor Watch GS3.